Huzur, the question is related to subject Khatamun Nabeen. He says we always talk to the non-Ahmadis, and for me it is clear, but I'll request Huzur to throw a elaborate light on it. So,
I think if it's clear to you, you can make it clear to others. If anything is clear to you, you can always make it clear to others. If you are confused yourself, then of course it's difficult to explain yourself to the others. So you better read it again and again. I've spoken so much on this, and the subject is so vast that once you enter the subject, you have to go on and on and on, quoting hadith, quoting various verses of the Quran, and so it will take the entire majlis of tonight. So you better make yourself clear, and then you'll be able to speak to others as well. Do you have any book translated into Bangla? Originally written by me? Or any lecture of mine on this subject which has been translated into Bangla?
Not your book specifically.
Any other? Which one?
Abdul Hafiz Sahab is a person, he wrote a book on this subject.
So if it is enough, sufficient on this subject?
Yeah, it's very comprehensive.
Let him read it again thoroughly, again and again. Then inshallah he will tell us his own experience with the non-Ahmadis.